Good morning, children. Children, today's day is Wednesday and date is 27th of January 2021. In today's class, we are going to do English subject. Yes, today we are going to learn a new letter through story. So let's start our story. Name of our story is Nina and her new nest. A nightingale lives in a neem tree. Her name is Nina. One stormy night, her nest fell from the tree. There were 9 eggs in the nest. Nina started crying. Nicky, the squirrel, heard her cry and comes to help her. He builds her a new nest with newspaper and nut shells. All her 9 eggs were saved. Thank you, says Nina. Children, now tell me which letter words ma'am has used more in the story? Yes, letter N. And the sound of letter N is N. Now children, let's recapitulate the words which start with the letter N. N is for nightingale. N is for neem tree. N is for nest. N is for newspaper. N is for nutshell. Children, let's do the revision of words which start with letter N. This is capital letter N and this is small letter N. N says N. Repeat after ma'am. N says N. N is for nest. N is for nurse. N is for nose. N is for needle. N is for net. N is for newspaper. N is for number 9. And N is for night. Same as this, you have to learn any 5 words which start with letter N. Now, let's do one activity related to letter N. Circle the pictures that begin with letter N. You have to identify the correct picture which start with the letter N and you have to circle it. First one is tap. Do the tap start with the letter N? No. Tap start with the letter T. So, we will not circle the picture. Next one is newspaper. Yes, newspaper start with the letter N. So, we will circle the picture. Next one is necklace. Necklace start with the letter N. So, we will circle the picture. Same as this, you have to complete this activity in your workbook. Now, turn the page. Next activity is draw ovals around letter N, capital letter N and small letter N. Then join them as shown. In the previous classes, ma'am has taught you same activity like this. What you have to do? You have to identify the correct letter N in the box and you have to make oval. So let's start. In first row, yes, this one is capital letter N. So we will make oval like this. In second row, there is one small letter N which is already circled. Now let's check in the third row. Yes, this one is small letter N. So we will make oval. See, ma'am has completed this activity. Ma'am ने oval बनाया capital and small letter N पे and then उसको line से क्या कर दिया? Connect कर दिया. Okay. Now let's do rainbow writing. See children, this is hollow letter N. Yes, hollow letter N. अब इसमें हम क्या करेंगे? Rainbow writing. Yes. So first make standing line like this and then make one downward curve. Now we will do with the red color. First make standing line and then make one downward curve. See, ma'am has complete rainbow writing. Same as this, you have to do it in your workbook. Now let us learn how to write small letter N. It's so easy. First make standing line in between the two blue lines and then make one downward curve, touch the first blue line and go down, down, down and touch the second blue line. This is small letter N. N says no. One more time. First make standing line, then make one downward curve, touches the first blue line and goes down, 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 touches the second blue line. One more time. Standing line and then one downward curve. Same as this, you have to do it in your workbook. Now let's do one activity related to letter N. Say the names of the pictures and write capital letter N and small letter N together. You have to identify the correct picture which start with the letter N and you have to write capital and small letter N together. What is this? This is needle. So we will write capital letter N and small letter N together. Needle start with the letter N. Next one is nurse. Nurse start with the letter N. The letter N and small letter N. See, our activity is finished. Now it's homework time. See, you have to write the small letter N in your notebook in a neat and clean handwriting. So let's recapitulate one more time. First make standing line in between the two blue lines and then make small downward curve. This is small letter N. N says no. One more time. Standing line and downward curve. Make small letter N. This you have to complete your homework and share to your ma'am. Bye-bye. Have a nice day.